Divoom, spark your life. What? Oh, it's an art signpost. Signboard really, to be honest, but never mind. Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with another unboxing for you and a little bit of a play. I bought this from a friend of mine, and for his own ego I'm going to let him remain anonymous, so there. Yeah, okay, so basically this has been out for a while. There's another version of this out, but I couldn't actually resist buying this from him when he's just getting rid of loads of stuff. So this is mine. This is my personal Divoom Pixoo-max customizable pixel art signboard. Now the thing with this is packaging gone mad. Right, so we have this little box, nothing else on there. And we have the Divoom Max. Comes in a box. Hooray! Can you get it out that way? Yes, there's a packaging holding the box up, which is great. But we also have, before we get anywhere, let's look at what else is in there. An indoor and in-car pixel art display. I'm not quite certain whether or not I want to put this in my car. I mean, it's obviously designed for the Japanese market, and which is nice. What is that? It's not an aerial for anything, unless it's a stand for the back. So we have a standard cigarette lighter socket with a USB on the end. I've got quite a few of those already. We have a standard cigarette lighter socket to cigarette lighter socket, or plug to socket. So that's all good. So yes, you can put it in the car, do what you want. We have two suckers. I assume maybe this is one we can put in the house, one we put in the car. I don't recommend putting this in the car in the UK. Just call me old-fashioned. I'm just not certain. One thing I love about Japanese plastic or Chinese plastic is it just feels so smooth. I don't know. I mean, obviously recycled, but yes, it's really nice. I don't know what they do. It's like they've almost put fabric softener on it, or plastic softener, I don't know. So that's the box with the bit and a box and a box. Right. This is where insanity lies. So here is your Divoom Max customizable pixel art signboard. So mood lighting, visualizer, in car. I wouldn't recommend in this country. Do what you want. I'm not telling you to do whatever. So download the app, put it in your back window. Yeah, happy smiley thing, I'm sure. Do what you want. Honestly, do what you want. So we have a sleeve. This is where insanity goes. So we have a sleeve for a box. Very nice box. I'll be happy if that came as a box as it is. Okay, so now we have a box with some foam padding. And we have a box. Do you see where I'm getting to yet? I have some nice little stickers in here, because this is just pixel art and stuff like that. So yeah, nice little stickers to put around the office. A box with and it's not been put back in right by me, because I've already tested this. This is why I know there's so many different boxes in here. A very long and a very good quality USB-C cable. Now that's really nice to see, but yeah, it depends where I put it in here. Full instructions, indoor and car. It just keeps saying car. It's basically, you can enable voice activation, how to charge, the sockets on the back. Looks like that stick is a stand, a little bit off to the side, which is a bit weird. Or you can hang it up right on there on a nail, a screw or something onto the wall. Problem is you'll still see all of the cable. Plenty of languages in here, loads, plenty. Download the app, plug it in. It's all different languages, basically just telling you the same. Yeah, it's got a power supply. Oh, it's got a cable, and off you go. So again, quality Chinese, Japanese, I don't know, Chinese-y thing. So we're now down to another box. So sleeve there. I'm into another bag. Okay, are we nearly there yet? Do you think we're in yet? So finally we get in. Now I'm covered in fingerprints, and there's my ugly face. Hello. But yeah, the stand's in the corner there, the power supply's up there, the hook's up on there. Yeah, it's only 5 volt 2 amp. But what I need to do is I suspect that this is actually flat. So I'm going to plug this in. Give me a minute just to tidy up just a tiny bit and get this plugged in, and I'll be back in a second. So we're nicely set up now with the power cable plugged in. There's a nice little light on the back of there, and I've just realised I put my fingerprints all over there. Nice, I've just cleaned that. So we have a screw type part on there. I'm not entirely sure if that's to do with, it's got to be to do with the mount. Side of here, power switch, brightness switch, and a little hole there for what reason? Number 6. That's a charge light indicator apparently. It's not showing charge then. That's a charge light. Yeah. No, number 6, yeah. Number 5's charge light indicator. USB charging port. 6. Oh no. Okay, so 3 microphone ports. Ah, right, so they've got 3 and 6 muddled around. So microphone ports. Excuse me. So what is 1? It's number 7, car mount screw holes. Right, so was plugged in. I need to pair it with the phone. Go to the Play Store, download the Divoom, I think it says Pixel, Pixel Screen app, or scan the QR code to get the app. I've got to pair that Bluetoothly with that, but I want to get this thing switched on. So I'm going to press the top button on here. Hopefully, it shouldn't be too bad. Okay, so power comes on. What is it doing? Okay, is it showing the time? Yeah, it's showing the time. I need that a little bit higher up, to be honest. So I need to put something on here. No, yep, nope, possibly. Got too many lights in here. So we have, that is on at least. So I need to pair this. So I need to go into the Divoom app. I hope I don't need to register anything. Yep, add device. So that looks easy enough to do. Does it ask me for a QR code? No, it doesn't. That's a bit weird. Let's go plus. Drawing layers. Okay, that doesn't help. Don't want drawing layers. Plus. Okay, device, please log in. Righto. Give us a minute. There we go. Registered. So we can do it on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I'd rather do it Bluetooth so I can actually connect it on here. I've got nothing on the PC that will do it anyway. So let's look at available devices. No, my devices. Can it help at all? So is it a Pixoo? It is a Pixoo, isn't it? Yep. This is not intuitive at all. So let's go back. And can I? Yes. Allow. Thank you. Allow. Yes. Told you that. Turn on Bluetooth. It's not really search. Right. Searching Bluetooth. Okay. It's not as intuitive as I'd hoped for. As it doesn't give me a million different things in here. Is it wanting? On the phone, on the Divoom application, please connect Divoom-max. Please connect your device. Ah, okay, there it is. Unconnected. Connecting. So it's connected. So that's good, I suppose. Add the mirror image and rotation function. Oh, okay. Ah, so that's downloading now. Cool. Sending data. Quick cut. There, it just said success on the bottom, so that's been done. It's now still under connected again, so let's reconnect. Ooh. Okay, you saw that better than I did. So it's connected. So let's go back, shall we? Galleria. Let's go for, that's a shrimp. Huh. Okay. Ignore. Thank you. The bird. So I'm just scrolling through here. It shows you the different stuff. It's going straight to the actual. I mean, that's showing pink, and that's actual purple. So yeah, that's a little bit of a. I prefer the purple anyway. It looks better. Ooh, it's a snowman, but it's a bear. Yes. Okay. If I can get rid of that other bit of a shine. There we don't go. So I think that is probably it. Ta-da! Thank you very much for watching. Bye now. No. So we have lots of. What's that? A sock with a cherry. What? Oh, okay. That's a teleported parrot. It is it is quite fun, really, just have something in the background. Okay, that's just weird. Yeah. It is a fun thing. I don't think it's a... Oh, we need to get one of these desperately. Unless I can get this thing looking really good. Oh, that's just a mind scrambler. Yes. So yeah, there's plenty of stuff on here. I mean, I can either have a clock, which, to be honest, is... Oh, so I'm going to say it says plus 10:52, which is actually 10:20 in the garage at the moment in the morning, so... Okay, that's preempted me. Oh, that's weird. Change colours, you think? Ah, colour on the centre part. Pinks, purple, blues. Yeah. So I can have this just solely as a clock. Now I can't... Oh, there is a clock, actually. So I can see the arms are weirdly pointing up, but not to the centre part of the clock. Okay. So that's... Discover. Let's go to Discover again. Oh, save lots of money on Divoom summer sale on Amazon. Okay, we don't want that, so we're not whatever in... Oh no, I've left that clock on. Okay, so the e-store, there's plenty of stuff to actually buy, or there's stuff to easily find. Let's put a goose on. See, the whites don't seem... On the Pixel on here, because this is a lot better camera, this is a Samsung S7 Edge, so it's not brand new, but still... The whites don't look as white as what they could be. Yeah, but I don't think that's a problem. Showing who that person is who actually made that one. Big fat frog. It is fun, shall we say. I mean, to be honest, on the camera, on the screen, it's a lot better looking at it on that than what it is me looking properly at it. That's weird, that. Golden needle. Eating a fish. Ooh. It's actually purring. Okay, so you can put sounds on this, or can you put sounds on that? You shouldn't be able to put sounds on that, should you? So is that... That isn't purring at all. It's obvious. Right, so what I'm going to do is the second button on here. Oh, hot? Oh, my hot. That was supposed to be a brightness button according to that. So do I press and hold? No. That just changes through everything. That's gone off. Oh, there's a cake there. The cake was actually meant from the person who sold me this as a happy birthday. There was actually an alarm that you can fit on this, and stick on this. That cat's still purring. And yeah, I did get this on my birthday a little while ago. So yes, thanks very much for adding this on. Nice little birthday cake, as you can tell. Still, you're going to be anonymous through this entire video. I don't care. So yeah, it's a nice little object, a nice little thing. Not 100% certain what I'm going to do with it. That's just automatically switched over to that and then it's back over there. It's a bit random where it changes to things. I don't know why it would do that, or also why it goes to that. Does it do that for a reason? It's not a screen. It's a sound thing on that. Oh! Ah! Oh, yes, that's good. So I could leave this in the background and talk, and it would do that. I like that. Now it is a upwards, downwards. It's gone off again. Why does it go off like that all the time? Okay, no, that's... There's a battery in the middle. Right, so this needs good charging. It's had this before, and I've been playing before making this video. Is that the battery light keeps coming on, so it does need a good charge. So I'm going to leave that as that, and end the video. Stop purring at me. That's just strange. So I've turned the phone off and it's still purring. Okay, so anyway, it is that easy to do. It's just a pixel art thing, which is quite nice. There are new models out there. This is, I'm not sure which model this was, but it's good enough for me, and it's not going in the car anyway, and that's just turned itself off again. Okay, didn't press. I was a little over it. So anyway, with that in mind, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media. Why is it doing that? I think it might not be connecting properly in the bag. Like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media. I'm hot. Yes, it is. It's quite warm in here, to be honest. And yeah, it definitely needs charge. Does it? I'm still hot. Yeah, little odd, let's just say. So, put that back in and keep that charging. Yeah, so like, share, subscribe, follow my social media, consider being a Patreon, consider donation, and yeah, comment below if you think I'm doing something wrong on this, the better way around doing this. Please please get in touch and help me out. So with that in mind, see you in another video. Bye for now. And if you made it this far, thank you, Fair Fight.